So this is our '06 Wrangler. Little rusty, little bit crusty, but she's got a burnout headlight. And today we're going to fix it. This little fella's seen better days, but the only tool we're going to need is a T15 Torx. You got 3 screws to take the bezel out. There's one in the bottom, one up in the corner, one on the inside. We're going to take them out like this. But if you start, I think, on the outside here, not like I'm doing, there we go, maybe not. Get that side free, pull it out. Now, we have 4 more screws to take out. All right, it's a little bit easier to see with some light, but there's a screw here, 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and then 1 right down here. Here we go. Got 1 down here. Make sure you don't drop them down in the grill. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. Now the little chrome ring comes out. Make sure you don't drop your headlight. You can pull it out. So we're going to take our new snazzy headlight, which this one's not. On the way in, I'm going to plug it in, just so it doesn't fall back out. And this chrome ring slides right back over. Line up your screws. Make sure you're putting the little black ones back in. It's 2. Three. Last one goes on the inside here. Now, chrome bucket goes right back in the way she came out. Now you have your 3 chrome screws left. One in the bottom. Fingers don't bend that way. One in the top corner. One on the inside.